Hello and welcome. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. It is the latest smartwatch just released by Samsung. It comes in two sizes, 41 and 45 millimeters. As you can see, I have the 45 millimeter version in steel. There's another titanium version set to be released later this year. This is the mystic black color that we have. This is the Bluetooth version, also has Wi-Fi and GPS. So without wasting any time, let's open it up. As you can see that it is still sealed. So I just opened up the seal. It has a 1.4-inch OLED display with 360 by 360 pixels. Also, so that is what it looks like. I'll take it out of the casing. We'll take a look at it later. Let's see what else do we have. That is I think the charging stand. So it comes with this charging plate, and the USB cable does not come with an adapter. Obviously, you already are expected to have a phone. You can attach it to the phone charger. Now the thing is, interesting bit is that the new Samsung Galaxy phones, they come with a USB type C wire cable on both ends, so you need an old Samsung charger for that. If I can quickly show you, so this is my Samsung Note 10 charger. As you can see, it has a USB type C plug here, and I cannot put it in, so I'll have to find a different charger to charge this smartwatch. So this is the warranty card and a quick start guide, SMR840. It says premium genuine leather, 22 millimeters, so it can accept standard 22 millimeter straps. This is the black, of course, genuine leather, it says. We'll let the watch turn itself on. In the meantime, we'll have a look at the Gear S3, so which is the 46 millimeter version. A couple of new features that distinguish this new watch above the rest are that the Galaxy Watch 3 can measure your ECG, your blood pressure. It also has the pulse oximeter to measure the oxygen levels in your blood, which the Gear S3 does not have that. So these are the, apart from the little changes, like the battery size on this is 380 milliampere, this is 340, but a newer processor, a dual core 1.15 gigahertz processor, Cortex A53, I believe. So that was the unboxing of Galaxy Watch 3 and a quick comparison. How do these watches look like? Certainly it is thinner, newer, good, satisfying satisfying experience. This rotatable, clickable bezel is very satisfying with graduated clicks. And it is, as soon as I've turned it on, it is updating its operating system to allow for new features like pulse oximeter and stuff. So when it will get updated, I'll make another quick video to see how do you measure ECG, and especially the blood pressure. Yeah, how do you measure the blood pressure? I would be very interested in that. So that's about it, and we'll be back with another video soon. Thank you.